Well, our first question is for those viewers who may be considering bankruptcy. Counselor, what are some of the biggest mistakes that people make when facing the possibility of going bankrupt?
Well, I think sometimes consumers make the mistake of going to the cheapest person rather than someone who's willing to help them through the problem. Cost is a consideration. We understand that. We make our fees palatable to all of our clients and try and help you out of this situation. The problem in trying to find just the cheapest is they oftentimes don't have the experience that I offer. They're going to be making mistakes. We all make mistakes when learning a new process, and they're going to be making their mistakes with you, unfortunately. You can get a paralegal to do it, but unfortunately paralegals cannot give you legal advice, which is the difference between the paralegal and the attorney. We can represent you in the hearing and help you through this stressful time. That's why we try and do it the best way we can. What we're here to do is help you through this stressful time and try and make it as stress-free as possible, though it can be stressful no matter what.
So when it comes to getting the job done right the first time, cutting corners may end up costing the person more money in the long run.
Agreed. I always tell my clients, I could change the oil in my car, but it's going to be a very expensive lesson if I do it wrong the first time. Saving myself that $20 on the oil change can cost me thousands in auto repairs down the road. I'd rather pay the $20 to have a good professional do the job properly the first time. While it's not going to be $20, the same can be said for your attorney. It might cost a little bit more, but down the road, the headache-free experience you have is more than worth it. As opposed to going to a paralegal where you can't really get all the information an attorney can give you, and it's not nearly as comforting as it is. You can't shake a hand of a book if they hand it to you, or a packet of paperwork, whereas your attorney can always be there. We answer calls unscreened. I find that helps most of my clients through their very difficult time, knowing that when they call, someone's on the other end of the line answering the phone and working through their concerns with them.